Now today I am going to discuss with you a very interesting poem, A Little Grain of Gold. A Little Grain of Gold. This poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Before we going to discuss about the poem, first of all discuss about the author introduction, about the author. He was born 1861 and died in the year 1941. Then he was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. He was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. He had multifaceted personality. Tagore was a writer, musician, painter, educationist. And he composed our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. I think everybody knows about the national anthem. Then, who composed our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. He composed our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Then, he founded the famous educational center. Shantiniketan. Then we can find in his works simple style and universal appeal. All these are important points. I collected important points from the Rabindranath Tagore from the intermediate first year textbook. Everybody, you have to remember all these points and note all these points. Now let us discuss about the poem. A Little Grain of Gold. Grain means seed. This poem is an extract from Gitanjali. This poem is an extract, that means taken from the book Gitanjali, Song 50. This is an interesting parable. Parable means moral story. This is an interesting parable. In this poem, highlights are virtue of giving. Now I am reading the poem. Everybody, you have to observe the stanza by stanza. I had gone begging from door to door in the village path, when thy golden chariot appeared in the distance like a gorgeous dream. And I wondered, who was this king of all kings? My hopes rose high, and methought my evil days were at an end. And I stood waiting for alms to be given unasked, and for wealth scattered on all sides in the dust. The chariot stopped where I stood. The glance fell on me, and thou camest down with a smile. I felt that the luck of my life had come at last. Then of a sudden thou didst hold out thy right hand and say, What hast thou to give to me? Ha! What a kingly jest was it to open thy palm to a beggar to beg. I was confused and stood undecided. And then from my wallet, I slowly took out the least little grain of corn and gave it to thee. But how great my surprise when at the day's end I emptied my bag on the floor to find a least little grain of gold among the poor heap. I bitterly wept and wished that I had the heart to give thee my all. In this poem, there are 5 stanzas. I am going to explain to you stanza by stanza. In the first stanza, we found a word chariot. Now let us know about the meaning of the chariot. Chariot means an open vehicle with two wheels pulled by horses. An open vehicle with two wheels pulled by horses. Now, one day a beggar begging from door to door in the village path. Suddenly he saw a golden chariot from a distance. On the golden chariot sat a king, who is appeared like a king of all kings. Who is appeared like a king of all kings. King of all kings. King of all kings. There is a chariot coming near to the beggar. Felt this is a gorgeous dream. This is the first stanza explanation. Second stanza. His hopes rise. Anyway, my evil days were at an end. The beggar is waiting for alms. Do you know what is the meaning of the alms? The beggar is waiting for alms. Alms means money, clothes and food that are given to the poor people. He thought without asking king will be scattered the wealth in the dust, because the king had a lot of wealth. The third stanza. Anyway, the golden chariot stopped where the beggar stood. The king saw the beggar and came and stood down with a smile. Usually, everybody felt the king will be give something to the beggar. But here, the king asked the beggar, "What hast thou to give me?" This is the nobody expect like this. When the king asked the beggar thought this is the king's joke. The king appeared like a king of all kings. This king asked me beg. This is the really royal joke. The beggar felt like that he was confused, stood undecidedly. Then the beggar took out least little coin from his wallet. Do you know what is the meaning of wallet? Wallet means small bag. Wallet. Wallet. Wallet means small bag. Gave to the king. The wallet, from his wallet, he took out least little coin from his wallet and gave to the king. At the end of the day, the beggar shook his wallet on the floor. He found a least little gold coin among his heap. Heap means a pile of something. Heap means a pile of something. The beggar recollected his past things and he realized his greediness. The beggar wept bitterly. He wanted to give right now, but now no use. In this poem, the king is a symbol of God. From this poem, we can learn a moral thing, that is, if we want to able to receive from the others, we must able to give to the others. In this poem, the king is a symbol of God. King is a symbol of God. Symbol of God. God wanted to test his devotees. In this poem, we can find the moral thing. If we want to able to receive from the others, we must able to give to the others. If you want to able to receive from the others, we must able to give to the others. This is the moral thing we can found from the a little grain of gold.